Space tourism refers to the commercial activity of sending private individuals into space for recreational, leisure, or adventure purposes. This burgeoning industry allows non-professional astronauts to experience space travel, including weightlessness, breathtaking views of Earth, and the unique environment of space. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are at the forefront of developing spacecraft and programs for this exciting new frontier. 10 advantages of space tourism. 1. Advancement of space technology. Space tourism drives innovation in space technology, benefiting various industries. For example, developments in spacecraft design and safety measures can improve satellite technology and space exploration missions. 2. Economic growth. The space tourism industry can contribute significantly to economic growth by creating jobs and stimulating related sectors. For instance, building and maintaining spaceports creates employment opportunities in engineering, hospitality, and tourism. 3. Scientific research opportunities. Space tourism can fund scientific research by providing private companies and researchers access to microgravity environments. For example, experiments conducted on spaceflights can lead to advancements in material science, medicine, and environmental studies. 4. Public interest in space exploration. By making space travel accessible to the general public, space tourism can generate interest and excitement about space exploration. For instance, high-profile missions can inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. 5. Inspiration for future generations. Experiences in space can inspire young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. For example, stories of space tourists returning to Earth and sharing their experiences can motivate students to study these fields. 6. Unique experiences. Space tourism offers individuals once-in-a-lifetime experiences, such as viewing Earth from space and experiencing weightlessness. For example, passengers aboard suborbital flights can see the curvature of the Earth and the beauty of the cosmos firsthand. 7. Development of infrastructure. The growth of the space tourism industry leads to the development of infrastructure, such as launch facilities and hotels near spaceports. For instance, SpaceX's launch facilities have stimulated growth in surrounding areas, benefiting local economies. 8. Promotion of global collaboration. Space tourism can promote international collaboration in space exploration and technology development. For example, partnerships between private companies and governments can lead to shared resources and knowledge, benefiting all parties involved. 9. Environmental awareness. Viewing Earth from space can raise awareness about environmental issues and the need for sustainability. For instance, astronauts and space tourists often report a newfound appreciation for the planet's fragility after seeing it from orbit. 10. Potential for future colonization. Space tourism paves the way for future human settlement on other celestial bodies. For example, experiences gained from tourism can inform efforts to establish bases on the Moon or Mars, leading to long-term exploration and habitation. Here are 10 disadvantages of space tourism. 1. High costs. Space tourism is extremely expensive, making it accessible only to a small segment of the population. For example, a ticket to space can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, limiting participation to wealthy individuals and leaving many interested people unable to afford it. 2. Environmental impact. The launch of rockets contributes to air and noise pollution and can harm the atmosphere. For instance, the emissions from rocket launches can release greenhouse gases and black carbon particles, which may contribute to climate change. 3. Safety risks. Space travel poses inherent risks, including potential accidents and health hazards during launches and re-entries. For example, past incidents, such as the Space Shuttle Challenger disaster, highlight the dangers associated with space missions. 4. Physical health concerns. Traveling to space can have negative effects on the human body, including exposure to radiation and the challenges of microgravity. For example, astronauts often experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss due to the lack of gravity during their missions. 5. Limited accessibility. Currently, space tourism is not available to everyone, particularly individuals with disabilities or specific health conditions. For example, those with pre-existing medical issues may not be cleared for space travel, limiting opportunities for many potential tourists. 6. Space debris concerns. Increased space tourism activities can contribute to the growing problem of space debris, which poses risks to both spacecraft and satellites. For instance, collisions with debris can damage operational satellites and threaten the safety of future missions. 7. Inequity and exclusivity. Space tourism can exacerbate social inequalities, as it tends to benefit only affluent individuals while neglecting broader societal issues. For example, while some people can afford to travel to space, many others face poverty and lack access to basic needs on Earth. 8. Potential for overcommercialization. The commercialization of space travel may prioritize profit over safety and scientific exploration. For instance, companies might rush to launch space tourism flights to maximize profits, potentially compromising safety standards and protocols. 9. Disruption of scientific research. With an increased focus on tourism, resources that could be used for scientific research may be diverted toward commercial ventures. For example, space missions originally designed for scientific exploration might shift their focus to accommodate paying tourists instead. 10. Regulatory challenges. The rapid growth of space tourism presents challenges for regulation and oversight, which can create safety and legal issues. For example, there are ongoing debates about who governs space tourism activities and how to ensure the safety of passengers and the environment.